Chapter 12 Speed, Distance and Time. Learning Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to know the measurement unit of speed, calculate speed, distance and time, know the relationship between distance, time and speed, warm up, calculate the total distance the car needs to cover to reach the finish point, distance traveled. Teacher's note: guide students to calculate the distance by adding the kilometer. Facts to know: the Italian physicist Galileo Galilei is credited with the discovery of speed. Galileo first measured speed by considering the distance covered and the time it takes to cover that distance. Speed: Mr. Ronak is driving at a speed of 60 km per hour and Mr. Rohit is driving at a speed of 50 km per hour. It means Mr. Ronak drives fast. In the above statements, we use the word speed. What do you mean by speed? The speed can be defined as the distance covered per unit time. Speed is equals to distance covered upon time taken, or S is equals to D upon T. Measurement unit of speed. If the distance covered is in kilometers and the time taken is in hours, then the measurement unit of speed is kilometer per hour or km per hour. dt is equals to kilometer upon hr is equals to kilometer per hour. If there is a short distance in meters and time is in minutes, then the measurement unit of speed is minute per minute or minute per minute, minute upon minute. Similarly, measurement unit of speed be measured in minute per second. Solved example. Example 1. A car covers a distance of 180 km in 3 hours. Find its speed. Solution. Speed is equals to distance upon time is equals to 180 km upon 3 hours equals to 60 km per hour. Example 2. A cyclist covers 850 meters in 5 minutes. Find his speed. Solution. S is equals to D upon T is equals to 850 minute upon 5 minute is equals to 170 meter per minute. Example 3. A car covers a distance of 240 kilometers between Agra and Delhi in 3 hours. Find its average speed. Solution. Average speed is equals to total distance upon total time taken is equals to 240 km upon 3 hours is equals to 80 km per hour. Example 4. The speed of a car is 90 km per hour. Find speed in meter per second. Solution. We know that 1 km is equals to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equals to 60 into 60 seconds equals to 3600 seconds. 90 km equals to 90 into 1000 meter. Speed is equals to distance upon time is equals to 90 into 1000 upon 3600 is equals to 25 meter per second. Example 5. The speed of a car is 50 meters per second. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. Solution. We know that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 km and 1 hour is equals to 1 upon 60 into 60 second is equals to 1 upon 3600 seconds. 50 km is equals to 50 upon 1000 km. Speed is equals to distance upon time. 50 upon 1000 divided by 1 upon 3600 km per hour. 50 into 3600 upon 1000 km per hour. 180 km per hour. Quick tip. To convert a speed given in meter per second into a speed in kilometer per hour, multiply with 85 by 5. To convert a speed given in kilometer per hour into a speed in meter per second, multiply with 5 upon 18. Exercise 12.1. Question 1. Find the speed if A. Distance 80 km, time 2 hours. Answer 40 km per hour. B. Distance 240 meter, time 12 minutes. 20 meter per minute. C. Distance 4200 minute, time 30 seconds. Answer 140 meter per second. Question 2. A train covers a distance of 80 km in 4 hours. Find its speed. Answer 20 km per hour. Question 3. Sakshi ran 600 meters in 50 seconds. Find her speed. Answer 12 meter per second. Question 4. Sonu covers the distance of 540 km in 6 hours by his car. Find the speed of car. Answer 90 km per hour. Question 5. A car covers a distance of 324 km in 6 hours. Find its average speed. Answer 54 km per hour. Question 6. A car travels at a distance of 60 km per hour. Find its speeds in meter per second. Answer 16.6 meter per second. Question 7. The speed of a train is 25 meter per second. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. Answer 90 km per hour. Question 8. Sakshi covers 950 meter in 5 minutes. Find her speed in kilometer per hour. Answer 11.4 km per hour. Distance. Distance equals to speed into time, or d is equals to s into t. Solved example. Example 1. Rajat drives at a speed of 90 km per hour. How much distance he will cover in 2 hours? Solution. S is equals to 90 km per hour. T is equals to 2 hours. D is equals to S into T. 90 into 2 is equals to 180 km. Example 2. How much distance will he cover in 4 hours at the speed of 45,000 minutes per hour? Solution. Since the speed is in meters, we know 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 km. 45,000 meter is equals to 45,000 upon 1000 km is equals to 45 km. Distance is equals to speed into time. 45 into 4 is equals to 180 km. Example 3. Sahil drives at a speed of 80 km per hour. How much distance will he cover by Sahil in 1 upon 2 hours? Solution. Speed is equals to 80 km per hour. Time is equals to 1 upon 2 hours is equals to 7 upon 2 hours. Distance is equals to speed into time. 80 into 7 upon 2 kilometers is equals to 280 kilometers. And Sahil will cover 280 kilometers in 1 upon 2 hours. Example 4. How much distance will he cover in 1 upon 2 hours at a speed of 35 meter per minute? Solution. Since the given speed is in meter per minute and the time in hours, we have to convert hours into minutes. So t is equals to 2. 1 by 2 hours is equals to 2 hours plus 1 upon 2 hours is equals to 2 hours plus 30 minutes. 2 into 60 minutes plus 30 minutes, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes is equals to 120 minutes plus 30 minutes equals to 150 minutes. D is equals to S into T is equals to 35 into 150 equals to 5,250 meters. D is equals to 5,250 meters. 5,250 upon 1000 kilometer, because 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer is equals to 5.250 kilometer. Exercise 12.2. Question 1. Find the distance if A. Speed 980 km per hour, time 3 hours. Answer 2940 km. B. Speed 840 km per hour, time 1 hour 30 minutes. Answer 1260 km. C. Speed 9200 meter per second, time 5 hours. Answer 1,65,600 kilometers. Question 2. Ishaq drives at a speed of 110 km per hour. How much distance will he cover in 4 hours? Answer 440 km. Question 3. A frog is moving at a speed of 10 cm per second. Find the distance covered by frog in 30 minutes. Answer 180 meters. Question 4. How much distance will he cover in 1 upon 2 hours at a speed of 20 meter per minute? Answer 1800.36 meters. 5. How much distance will he cover in 5 hours at the speed of 50,000 minutes per hour? Answer 250 kilometers. Question 6. Raman drives at a speed of 250 centimeter per second. How much distance will he cover by Raman in 15.5 seconds? Answer 3,875 centimeter. Question 7. How far will an aeroplane fly in 1 hour 50 minutes at a speed of 960 km per hour? Answer 1760. Question 8. How much distance will he cover by an athlete in 5 hours if he runs at a speed of 12.5 cm per second? Answer 2,25,000 cm. Time is equals to distance upon speed, or T is equals to D upon S. Solved example. Example 1. How much time will Rahul takes to cover the distance of 10,240 km at a speed of 80 km per hour? Solution. D is equals to 10,240 km, S is equals to 80 km per hour, T is equals to D upon S. 10,240 upon 80 is equals to 128 hours. Example 2. How much time will be taken to cover the distance of 25 km at a speed of 500 m per second? Solution. D is equals to 25 km, 25 into 1000 meter, because 1 km is equals to 1000 meter, is equals to 25,000 meter. S is equals to 500 meter per second. T is equals to D upon S is equals to 25,000 upon 500 is equals to 50 seconds. T is equals to 50 seconds. Example 3. A cyclist runs at a speed of 10 cm per second. How long will he take to cover 10 meters? Solution. Time taken to cover 10 cm is equals to 1 second. Time taken to cover 1 cm is equals to 1 upon 10 second. We know 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. Then 10 cm is equals to 1000 cm. Time taken to cover 10 meters. 1 upon 10 into 1000 is equals to 100 seconds. Hence the cyclist will take 100 seconds or 1 minute 40 seconds to cover 10 meters at a speed of 10 cm per second. Example 4. How long will an athlete take to run a race of 600 meter at a speed of 60 km per hour? Solution. Distance is equals to 60 meter. Speed is equals to 60 km per hour. We know 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 km. 600 meter is equals to 600 upon 1000 km is equals to 6 upon 10 km. Time is equals to distance upon speed is equals to 6 upon 10 divided by 60. 6 upon 10 into 60 is equals to 1 upon 100 hours. 1 upon 100 hour is equals to 1 upon 100 into 60 minutes is equals to 3 upon 5 minutes. 3 upon 5 into 60 seconds is equals to 3.6 seconds. Hence, an athlete will take 36 seconds to run a race of 600 meter at a speed of 600 km per hour. Exercise 12.3. Question 1. Find the time taken if A. Distance 240 km, speed 60 km per hour. Answer 4 hour. B. Distance 300 km, speed 300 meter per second. Answer 1000 seconds. C. Distance 27,810 km, speed 90 km per hour. Answer 309 hours. Question 2. A cyclist covered a distance of 5,999 km at a speed of 70 km per hour. Find the time taken. Answer 87.7 hours. Question 3. How much time does Ria take to cover the distance of 900 km at a speed of 45 km per hour? Answer 20 hours. Question 4. A train runs at a speed of 50 km per hour. How much time it will take to cover the distance of 11,250 km? Answer 225 hours. Question 5. A cockroach runs at a speed of 10 meters per second. How much time will it take to cover a distance of 1 km? Answer 100 seconds. Question 6. How long will Rahul take to run a race of 500 meters at the speed of 500 km per hour? Answer 4 seconds. Question 7. How long an aeroplane takes to cover a distance of 7,150 km at the speed of 780 km per hour? Answer 9 hours 10 minutes. Question 8. How long will the cyclist take to cover a distance of 8 meters at the speed of 82.5 cm per second? Answer 1 meter 35 seconds. Formulae. 1. Speed is equals to distance upon time, or S is equals to D upon T. 2. Distance is equal to speed into time, or D is equals to S into T. 3. Time is equals to distance upon speed, or T is equals to D upon S. Think wisely. There is one scooter which has 2 tires and 1 stepney. Total of 3 tires. Each tire can run up to a maximum of 5 km. How long will the scooter run? Answer 5 km. Mental math. Find the speed in each of the following cases. 1. Rahul ran 350 meter in 38 seconds. Answer 9.21053 meter per second. 2. Ashish cycled 756 meter in 1 minute 24 seconds. Answer 4.16667 meter per second. 3. Farhan rode 1 kilometer 400 meter in 350 seconds. Answer 4 meter per second. Maths lab activity. Materials required. Stopwatch app on a phone is fine. A measure distance. Pen, pencil. This worksheet to fill in tables. Steps. 1. Pick your lab partner for this activity. 2. Your teacher has measured out a distance of 10 meters. 3. You and your partner will take turns traveling this distance while being timed by the other person. 4. First, you will walk the distance, record the time and repeat 2 times. 3 total trials. 5. Switch with your partner. 6. Secondly, you will run the distance, record your time and repeat 2 more times. 3 total trials. 7. Switch with your partner. 8. Lastly, choose a movement you would like to use to travel the distance, skipping, hopping, etc. Fill in the other blank with what movement you choose. Record your time and repeat 2 more times. 3 total trials. 9. Switch with your partner. 10. Calculate the averages for each movement and record in the average time column. 11. Use the formula given to calculate your speed for each movement. 12. Don't forget your units, meters and seconds. 13. Answer the question below the table. Movement, trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, average time, speed, walking, running, other. 1. Which movement resulted in the fastest speed? 2. Who was fastest overall, you or your partner?